Yo, what's going on guys, this is ZodiZoe Unscrewed here, lately bringing you guys another video on boosting download speeds on Windows 10. So if you want to boost your download speeds, you just want to follow my steps. I'm going to be showing you guys two ways to do it. Very simple. So let's get into the video. So the first step is you want to head over to the search bar right over here, and you want to search in CMD, which is the short form for command prompt. When this comes up, you want to right click and run this at administrator. So you guys are wondering, why should we run this as administrator? Because for most of the commands in command prompt to run, it needs to be run as administrator. So it's very important to run this as administrator, especially with my command. Click on it and command prompt pops up. The command you want to type in is ipconfig /all. So when you type that in, you want to hit enter, and they will show all these informations over here. So what you want to look for is the IPv4 address. So this is the IPv4 address. So after you get your IPv4 address, you want to copy it by doing the shortcut Control C. So after copying it, you can close this out. Now after you have copied your IPv4 address, you want to go to the Windows logo and right click on it, and you want to hit run. So over here, what you want to type in is ping space yes guys, you want to type in what I have written over here. Instead of my given IPv4 address, you want to paste in your IPv4 address. After doing that, you can click on OK. So as you guys have seen, you might have seen a command prompt, transparent command prompt just pop in and then close out immediately. So that's what the step is. Basically, it boosts your download speeds. So let's get into the second step. So the second step, what you want to do is you want to head over to the control panel. So I already have it pinned on my taskbar. If you guys don't have it, you can simply hit the search bar and type in control panel and open it up. So when you open this up, you want to head over to the network and internet, go to network and sharing center, and over here you want to click on change adapter settings. So when this opens up, this is very important. So if you guys are using Ethernet, you want to right click and open properties on Ethernet. I'm using Wi-Fi personally, so I'm going to be taking the properties of my Wi-Fi. So when you open this up, you want to head over to the internet protocol version 4. Make sure it's checked. It will be checked for everyone, and you want to click on properties. Make sure to highlight this. So over here, what you want to do for you guys, it will be like this: obtain DNS server address automatically. So you want to switch to use the following DNS server addresses. So after doing that, for the preferred DNS, you want to type in 1.1.1.1, and for alternate DNS 1.0.0.1. So after you have written this, you can click OK and click close. So you guys are wondering, why did I type in 1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1? So this DNS server is the best DNS server you'll get out there. Any site you go and check, 1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1 is the best. It is the cloud-based DNS server, which is also very good, and the reason we have chosen this because it doesn't steal any of your private information. So that's it guys, it's the end of the video, and I'm going to be adding a small tip for you guys. So you might have got many trouble downloading from Google, from other third-party programs. So I'm going to be showing you a program which helps you increase and boost the download speed. Basically, it's like an app which takes the download speeds to the app and downloads it from there. So the app which I'm going to show you guys is called Free Download Manager. So I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below, so you can click on the link and you want to hit free download for Windows. Make sure to download it, and when you finish downloading it, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. If you want, you can drag and drop a URL or torrent here, and if you guys want automatically to download it, you want to go to Google and add the extension also. So you need to go to the web store and add the extension. I'm going to be leaving a link of that in the description too. So this is really good, and it boosts your download speed. I have used this for a couple of months and it has helped me greatly. So I recommend you guys also installing this. So that's it guys. If any of your friends might benefit from this video, make sure to share this video to them because everyone should stay happy, right? If you guys are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notifications to receive more new videos from me. And if you this video worked for you guys, make sure to like this. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.